and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Baby psychology, scientific reasons. Babies are the buds of human life. Do you ever think of where their personality comes from? How do they become who they are? We all know babies are born helpless, but as they grow up, they cope up with so much information that they tend to know more than we would ever think was possible. The most amazing fact is that all the answers to all questions lie in the youngest creatures that are babies. There is science, basic biology behind a baby's psychology. When a baby is born, there are factors affecting a baby's mind and keep their mind changing in a way or the other. Things might seem easier from outside, but there is a lot more complex process that follows up a baby's mindset. Let's understand it together. Number 1, bonding. Back in the early days, scientists had no solid proof regarding the bonding between the mother and the baby. But as research continued, scientists found out that the role played by oxytocin to mammals. There were several tests done to parents to study the level of oxytocin in them to get more information about bonding between a parent and a child. The study reveals that when mothers and children come in contact with each other, the oxytocin level increases in both, and this makes them want to engage with the baby more. Even fathers have a rise in oxytocin. This was proved when an experiment was conducted on the father of a 1-month-old baby. The results showed the same level of oxytocin in both the mother and the father of the child. Now comes the reason behind this. We are familiar with the rise in oxytocin in mothers but not in fathers. Then how do fathers get a rise in oxytocin level? The research gives an idea that the more the father interacts with the child, the more he involves himself in parental role, the more his oxytocin system gets activated. Fatherhood is biological. It is as deep as motherhood. Number 2, the first food, milk. The most important question regarding a baby's nourishment is which are the important nutrients? How do babies get them? And how do these shape their life? A baby's first food is always milk. Breast milk is the most nourishing one in the growth period of a baby. A study was made on breast milk looking upon monkeys as their milk is very similar to human milk. It was seen that mothers prepare a richer, energetically dense milk for sons than daughters. Why do doctors ask to breastfeed the baby in the first few months? The answer to this question is that individual mothers make individual milk patterns for their individual babies, which makes their immune system stronger depending on the mother's breast milk. Milk is bespoke. Mother's milk protects a baby from many diseases and helps in easy digestion. Number 3, creeping. For the first few months, babies are the closest to gravity and then they finally learn to crawl. Now there is something to be curious about. How do they learn to crawl and what do they learn when they are crawling? Babies can crawl in water, and another fact is if they are left at their mother's belly, they crawl up to their breasts. There were experiments done on several babies where the doctors created black moving dots on a plain white surface. The baby was held in the air and saw that the baby was trying to crawl when the dots started moving in the same direction. This was the first evidence that the crawling pattern that you see at birth is coming from the brain, which shows a baby's psychology on crawling. In another experiment, a 2-day-old kid was put on a skateboard for babies and was made to cry. The results showed that the baby was able to crawl around while putting little force on his leg. This showed that a baby's movement was not a reflex but a baby's psychology. Number 4. First words. Babies learn their language even before they can walk and sometimes before crawling too. But how do they learn the language? For babies, language is just a flow. They just hear melodies of speech which is ongoing all around. There was an experiment performed on a couple of kids who yet not learned to speak by some scientists. The experiment followed as to have two speakers having two different melodies of the same line. It was observed that the babies on whom the experiments were performed looked longer at the speaker with the natural melody. This proves that the melody of speech heard by the baby makes an influence in their brain cells and help them learn the language with the correct flow of melody. Number 5. Sleep. Scientists say a human baby sleeps for almost 16 hours a day. That is an extraordinary amount of time to be asleep. Babies already know how to sleep. They do not need any sleep training. Newborn babies need assistance from their parents for comfort and right patterns. But babies of 5 or 6 months of age do not need the help of their parents to fall asleep. This totally depends on the baby's psychology. Babies have an amazing kind of psychology that can be studied in detail. A child's brain has the same structures as an adult brain. It is just the learning and understanding capabilities that differ between a baby and an adult.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.